you guys, this is your girl D Spoiled Ass TABRON coming to you with another video, and today's video is going to be an unboxing from Fashionphile. But before I get into it, I want to give a shout out to my new subscriber who has subscribed to my channel, and that person is Elizabeth Ann. So hi Elizabeth, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And I just wanted to give a shout out to you, letting you know that I did see that you did subscribe. So thank you. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing. And believe it or not, you guys, I've had this package for about a month and I've never opened it. So that lets me know I have strong willpower. I might want it, but if I got so much going on, I don't want to open it up and not share it with you guys. So let's get into it. So here we go. Item is from Fashionphile. That also just lets you know that I trust Fashionphile. I've been dealing with them for a little bit, so for me to wait a month to open up something that I purchased from them, you got to trust them in order to do that. So you have your little confetti. And they sent a fingernail file again. Here's my thank you card. And inside here is your proof of purchase. And there's nothing else in the box. And here is the sticker. The new is the used is the new. And you guys, I purchased a Chanel item from them. And here's the camellia flower. Let's open it up. And here is the item. Inside the black velvet pouch. Okay, so without further ado, your girl has purchased the Chanel Caviar Quilted Zip Card Holder in black. So like I said, it is caviar with the silver hardware. And you have a pocket here, a zip pocket here. Okay, and on the back is my authenticity card. I always get that word confusing, but my authenticity card. And then you have a slot there, one there, and there. So you actually can hold 3 on the back and like a main one in the front, or you can fold up some cash and put there. And you can put some change in there. I doubt if I would ever do that, but yeah. And let's see what else it came with. It came with the original card. Hope y'all can see that it's focusing. Okay. It also came with the Chanel bowstring tie, and it also came with the the Chanel booklet and I guess the instructions and stuff. So you guys, that's all that I got for this video. I just wanted to come on here and share it with you. Your girl having Chanel fever right now. I'm still looking for the correct, or should I say the bag that I want. My Holy Grail. It's no longer available. You have to buy it pre-love. And I'm just waiting and waiting. And every time I see it, somebody beat me to it. And I want to make sure I get the right one. So I'm just going to wait it out. Maybe by the time I get it, I'll have all my Chanel small leather goods to put over in it. So your girl just wanted to come on here and share that with you all. So until the next time, you guys, your girl is out. Thanks for watching. And